within the pharmaceutical grade silicones. We also do high-end, really tough silicones that are used in gasketing materials and seals. We also have an application where, it's a composite decking type material where they're mixing and blending all the additives. At the same time, they're utilizing a jacket that is drying the product.
Sure.
Sometimes the jacket is used for heating, drying, and sometimes even cooling, depending on the requirements of the process.
Now, when you say jacket, is jacket the thing it's getting mixed in?
In a double arm mixer, we have basically a bowl assembly. We have end plates that capture the bowl, and then
Mhm.
there's agitating. Primarily, the go-to name is a double arm Sigma mixer. And the jacket is what encompasses the bowl to provide a source of heat or cooling around that bowl. And then that bowl is basically encompassing contact to the product.
What is the end product that a lot of those things generate?
So it's feedstock for deck boards, silicone tubing, pharmaceuticals, which could be baby care products, throwaway hoses or syringes. It could be a byproduct of, the connection of that tube if they're drawing blood.